The intricate world of animal behavior, decoding instincts and social structures from the intricate dances of bees to the haunting calls of whales, animal behavior offers a fascinating glimpse into the natural world's complexity. This exploration delves into the multifaceted realm of how animals interact with their environment and each other. Understanding these behaviors is crucial not only for scientific research but also for conservation efforts and improving human-animal interactions. Whether you're an enthusiast or a professional, there's always something new to discover about our fellow creatures. Evolutionary foundations of animal behavior. Animals exhibit behaviors that have been shaped by millions of years of evolution. These behaviors are often adaptive responses designed to enhance survival and reproductive success. Natural selection plays a significant role in shaping behavioral traits. Traits that increase an individual's chances of surviving and reproducing become more prevalent over generations. For example, migration patterns in birds have evolved as a response to seasonal changes and food availability. Similarly, camouflage techniques in various species help them avoid predators effectively. Mating rituals, complex displays such as peacock feathers or bird songs serve to attract mates while also deterring rivals. Hunting strategies. Predators use specialized hunting tactics that have developed through trial and error across many generations. Evidence from fossil records and genetic studies supports the idea that certain behaviors were present even in ancient ancestors. This continuity highlights the importance of evolutionary history in understanding modern animal behavior. Social structures and communication systems. Many animal species live in complex social groups where communication is essential for maintaining order and cooperation. Vocalizations, body language, and chemical signals form the basis of interspecies communication. For instance, wolves use howls to communicate with pack members during hunts or territorial disputes. Insects like ants rely heavily on pheromones to coordinate activities within colonies. These chemical messages guide individuals toward shared goals such as finding food sources or defending against threats. Dolphins demonstrate sophisticated vocal learning abilities similar to those found in humans. Their ability to mimic sounds indicates advanced cognitive capabilities related to social bonding. Communication systems vary widely among different taxa based on environmental needs and available resources. Understanding these differences helps scientists better interpret non-human cultures around us. Instinct versus learning. The nature-nurture debate. All organisms possess innate behaviors programmed genetically at birth. However, most animals require some degree of experiential learning after they are born. Instinctive actions include reflexes like blinking when exposed to bright light or sucking motions observed in newborn mammals shortly after birth. Learning occurs through direct experience rather than inherited knowledge. Young primates learn how to find edible plants by watching older group members eat them successfully. The interaction between nature and nurture becomes particularly evident in domesticated animals raised under controlled conditions versus wild counterparts living freely outdoors. Studies show that enriched environments can significantly alter developmental trajectories compared to deprived ones, indicating strong influences from both biological predispositions and external stimuli. Cognitive abilities across species. Research continues uncovering surprising levels of intelligence displayed by various non-human species ranging from cephalopods to corvids. Octopuses showcase remarkable problem-solving skills despite lacking centralized brains typical of vertebrates. They manipulate objects creatively when searching for prey hiding inside shells. Crows and ravens rank high among avian intelligences due to their capacity for tool usage and memory retention. Regarding hidden caches. Locations. This diversity challenges traditional notions about which types of life forms exhibit higher cognition capacities simply because we perceive ourselves as uniquely intelligent beings. Emotional intelligence in non-human animals. Increasing evidence suggests that many animals experience emotions comparable to what we recognize in ourselves, including joy, fear, grief, and empathy towards others. Elephants display mourning rituals following deaths within their herds, showing signs consistent with sadness or loss experienced by humans facing bereavement situations similarly. Dogs frequently engage in comforting behaviors toward distressed companions, demonstrating cross-species emotional recognition beyond mere instinctual reactions alone. Scientific investigations utilizing neuroimaging technologies reveal analogous brain activity patterns associated with emotion processing across several mammalian orders, suggesting common evolutionary origins behind affective states. Predator-prey dynamics and survival tactics. The ongoing arms race between predators seeking nourishment and prey trying desperately to evade capture has led to numerous adaptations, enhancing chances of either side prevailing depending upon circumstances. Faced daily. Camouflage strategies employed by chameleons allow them blend seamlessly into backgrounds, thereby reducing detection probabilities, dramatically increasing odds against being caught quickly enough. Predatory innovations involve cooperative hunting methods seen amongst lions working together, strategically coordinating movements, precisely timed strikes, ensuring maximum efficiency during successful kills without unnecessary energy expenditure. Survival tactics also extend beyond physical defenses. Mental preparedness contributes greatly too, since alertness levels determine likelihoods of escaping danger promptly once perceived threats emerge suddenly nearby. Biological clocks and circadian rhythms. Most living things follow internal timing mechanisms regulated primarily by sunlight exposure, influencing sleep cycles, feeding habits, mating seasons, etc., collectively known as circadian rhythms. These endogenous clocks operate independently yet remain synchronized externally via environmental cues, acting as zeitgebers, guiding organisms through predictable routines beneficially aligned with planetary day-night transitions naturally occurring every 24 hours period. Disruptions caused artificially, such as artificial lighting regimes affecting nocturnal wildlife populations, disrupt normal functioning, potentially leading towards health issues akin to jet lag suffered occasionally by air travelers crossing time zones rapidly. Studying these rhythms provides insights useful not only biologically but also medically, considering implications. Relevant treatment approaches concerning disorders linked chronobiology field, studying temporal aspects impacting overall well-being states. Human impact on animal behavior patterns. Anthropogenic factors increasingly influence natural habitats, altering customary behaviors previously established over millennia, resulting sometimes unexpectedly negative consequences. Unforeseen, initially considered harmless interventions. Urban expansion encroaching upon former wilderness areas forces adaptation strategies amongst resident fauna, necessitating adjustments relating mobility ranges, feeding schedules, predator avoidance protocols significantly differing from original settings before disturbance commenced. Artificial noise pollution generated continuously urban centers interferes substantially with acoustic communications vital for breeding purposes, especially aquatic vertebrates relying echolocation navigation systems critically dependent. Clear signal transmission channels, undisturbed frequencies capable conveying necessary information, accurately received, interpreted correctly, subsequently acted upon appropriately. Conservationists advocate mitigating measures aiming restoring ecological integrity, preserving biodiversity, promoting coexistence harmoniously alongside technological advancements, ensuring future generations inherit viable ecosystems, sustaining diverse faunal communities, thriving sustainably indefinitely ahead, going forward thereafter. Conclusion: exploring animal behavior reveals profound connections linking all forms of life sharing planet Earth, highlighting interdependencies existing universally regardless distinctions separating categories, arbitrarily assigned taxonomy, classifications originally devised purely descriptive purposes solely. To appreciate fully richness inherent within behavioral expressions exhibited myriad species requires commitment, ongoing study, fostering curiosity, respect towards nature's creations, ultimately contributing positively global stewardship. Responsibilities entrusted humanity today, managing finite resources wisely, prudently, for collective benefit, posterity's sake, tomorrow, onward, forevermore.